First of all, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You bagged several awards.
Thank you.
For Beanie and all the Star Music. What can you say about this award?
Sobra lang akong grateful and always nakaka-proud lang na ang dami sa mga artists that I've worked with ay naka-receive ng awards tonight. And syempre, speaking for the entire industry as a whole, buhay na buhay talaga yung OPM. And ayun, tuloy lang tayo sa pagiging creative when it comes to music, and marami pang maaabot ng musikang Pilipino.
Yeah, seeing you, grabe, ang dami yung mga projects this year and next year, no? Speaking of Mr. Jin Velasquez for Genify,
yes.
Vinyl.
Jonathan, sa dami ng trophies mo. Saan mo nilalagay?
May cabinet ako. So siksika na lang sila doon. Pero abangan ninyo yung musical play ko, ha? Next year yun.
I was about to ask you that.
It's a new musical featuring the music of yours truly sa Resorts World siya. Next year sa April. So abangan nyo yan.
Wow!
Kung may magka-casting pa lang.
Nagpa-final cast na lang, pero maririnig nyo may mga songs dyan na ginawa ko for Eric, for Angeline, for Beanie, na included din sa musical play. So abangan nyo.
Around how many songs are we talking?
Baka nagtatahi kami ng mga more or less 40 songs. Kasi yung iba full song, yung iba medley. Depende sa pagkakatahi ng story. Ayun. Okay.
So Jonathan won. And then for Beanie, of course, diba, they won as well. And they're going to celebrate their 3 days concert in the
Grand Beanieverse.
Yes. Maraming in store for Beanie. Napakaganda ng concert nila, pinaghahandaan. And talagang masasabi ko lang na yung production, binigay lahat dito. It's a very expensive production.
Wow.
Yung concert talaga mapaproud talaga yung mga fans ng Beanie. Yung mga Blooms, pag napanood nyo, kasi talagang binigay namin. Binigay talaga lahat sa Beanie kung ano yung deserve nila dun sa pagkaka-mount sa buong production ng Grand Beanieverse. So sinabing Grand Beanieverse, grand talaga. So abangan nyo yun.
Looking forward to it. Yes. Speaking of, I'm sorry, okay ka na po ba? Because I saw your post.
Nagpapagaling. Okay na naman yung mga yung mga pinapagaling na lang yung sugat.
Yes, because we need you in this industry. Grabe din talaga yung mga pinoproduce mong songs, tumatatak talaga. What can you say about PMPC?
Congratulations to PMPC. It's their 16th Star Awards for Music, and tuloy-tuloy lang yung ginagawa nila talagang pagsuporta sa industriya, and saludo ako sa inyo.
Malaking karamanan po makatanggap ng ganitong award kasi dati napapanood lang po namin yung mga hinahangaan namin na makatanggap ng award. Pero ngayon, isa na po kami sa mga awardees. Thank you to our management, to our families, and to our Blooms, at sa lahat po ng tao na sa likod ng camera. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magiging posible ang lahat. Thank you po!
To present the award from the PMPC is Evelyn Diaz.
What's up, Moa? I'm Stacy. Hi, Moa. I'm Malay. Hey, everyone. It's Ira.